Are you trying to learn Vedic astrology through YouTube, social media, books, videos, but still unable to connect the dots between how to interpret the charts? If you have been looking for a structured and a practical way to learn the real Vedic astrology course, then there's a good news for you. Today, I'm excited to announce that the registration for my Vedic astrology course have started. We are beginning the course on August the 8th. And in this video, I will walk you through everything you need to learn, like how the course is structured, what are the things which we'll be covering in the lecture, why this program can completely transform your understanding of Vedic Jyotisha. In a nutshell, there will be 25 lectures of 2 hours each, which is widespread over 6 to 7 months from August the 8th. So it's a 50 hours of course, and lecture starts from August the 8th, Saturday, and will be held on every Saturdays thereafter. All the lectures will be held with me live on Zoom call, and you will also get the recordings of every lecture to keep with you. Every Zoom recording, every lecture will be recorded, and you can keep those lectures with you lifetime. And I also wanted to inform you that I have been practicing Vedic astrology since 2009, almost over 17 years of experience in Jyotisha. My specialization in teaching Vedic astrology includes certain topics like Birth Time Rectification, KP astrology, Divisional Charts, and predictive astrology. I have successfully trained multiple batches of students from different parts of the world in the last so many years. And now those students who I have trained can confidently read birth charts and practicing astrology themselves. Through my teaching experience, I have realized that one of the biggest problem which typically students face is learning astrology in fragments. They watch random videos, read some books, different books, and often end up with more confusion than clarity. That inspired me to create a complete 50-hour certified Vedic astrology program where every topic is taught in a very logical sequence, making astrology fun, easier to understand, and to apply in your real life. That's the motive, that's the objective of this course, is to make it very easy for you to understand. This course has also been designed by me for any one of you who is genuinely wanted to understand Vedic astrology, whether you are a beginner or someone who already have some basics but want to improve your skills, you want to get very professional. Instead of simply memorizing the meaning of planets and zodiac sign, you will learn how to professionally you can analyze the charts. And my teaching approach is not only just theory. In my course, we do practical application, like we see so many examples of everything, be it marriage, divorce, health cases, job, businesses, money, financial, stock market. We cover every single area of life through practical live examples in all the lectures. So it's a very logical and very practical method which I adopt in my teaching. Let's start with the level 1. The foundation course are divided into 3 levels, out of which the level 1, the journey begins with building up a strong foundation, because every great astrologer need to master the basics first. In the level 1, we will explore the origins of philosophy or Jyotisha, understanding the difference between Sidereal astrology, Nirayana astrology, and Western astrology, learn about history and principles of Vedic Jyotisha. From there, in the level 1, we will understand in-depth knowledge of planets, the 9 planets, of the 12 zodiac signs, and also the 12 houses of the birth chart. These are the foundation. Believe me or not, a lot of people lack information in these and they are unable to connect the dots. The thing is that this course has this level 1 which will make you very strong in these foundation, very strong, and that will help you. Sometimes, the basics helps you a lot. When you're like very advanced in astrology, you forget a little bit of ABCs or the basics, but my course focuses very strongly on the level 1, the basics, and that is going to be very helpful in your journey. After that, the level 2, once your basics becomes very strong, we will move into the most exciting part of predictive astrology. In this level, we will learn all the 16 divisional charts, D9, D10, which is also called as the Varga system. So Navamsha, Dasamsha, Sastyasha, that's my specialization, and we are going to pinpoint focus on every area of your life, every divisional chart, be it D2, D16, D24, D30, on. And we will understand how each chart reveals deeper insight into our different areas of our life. And after that, we will also focus on how to interpret Navamsha, how to interpret Dasamsa, how to interpret someone's career, that what is the best career for someone, or what is the best guidance for if someone is facing any issues with marriage or relationship, what guidances, what practical guidances which we can give. We will also cover topics like birth time rectification, Mahadasha, Antardasha system, understanding the timing of all the events, and we will also understand the transit of planet in this level, Gochar, to learn how current planetary movements in the sky can influence natal chart to produce real life results. So these are some of the things, as you can see on the screen, is covered in the level 2, followed by the last level, the advanced level. And the advanced level is where everything comes together and you begin learning techniques by, all your professional astrology which you have learned. You have learned all your divisional charts. This is the time to connect the dots. This is time to learn about nakshatras also. This is the time, this is the level where we are going to also complete the birth time rectification, which is very important. Very, very important. 98% astrologer in the world, they don't do birth time rectifications typically. But we will pinpoint, learn the techniques, how to do it, and we will also spend time understanding astrological remedies, guidances. If someone is facing certain problems related to certain planet, how can we genuinely give certain practical guidance for them to make their individual life better, individual karma better. Other fascinating subjects which would be covered in the level 3 are Mahurata, the best time to buy, sell, do things, election astrology, Prashna Kundali, information about numerology part, like what are the lucky numbers, lucky colors, lucky crystals, gemstones related certain things. We will also take us several real life cases, allowing you to observe the complete chart interpretation process from beginning to end. So much is included, whether your goal is to understand your own birth chart, help your family or friends, or eventually build a professional career as an astrologer, as a professional astrologer. This course will provide you step-by-step path for achieving your goal. Are you excited? Hit the like button. Let me know if you're excited. There is no shortcut in astrology content available online. You will see so many courses which is okay, 3-day workshop, 5 hours course, 2-day. That might not work. It requires a lot of work. It requires a structured curriculum, practical guidance, and a mentorship from someone who has some years of real consultation experiences, which I believe I can certainly help you with that. Throughout this program, I will also share not only the theories, but also notes would be provided, all the recordings of the lectures will be provided, and more than that, my personal experience will come into the 17 years of experience will come into the picture of all the lectures. So, if you have always wanted to learn the authentic astrology, I think this is the right time for you. All you have to do is you can comment below, or you can reach me on my website, or on my WhatsApp, or on my Instagram. As you can see on the screen, this is my email ID. You can email me if you have any queries, or if you wanted to talk to me before joining the class. If you want to have a one-on-one conversation with any questions you have at any time, I will be able to help you. I will be able to guide you. Let's talk. This is my WhatsApp number, as you can see on the screen. Reach me out. Let's set up a time in this week and discuss the way forward for you to learn this authentic, this genuine science, which is Vedic astrology. I look forward to see you in my upcoming batch starting on August the 8th. So let's grow, let's understand, let's grow together in this journey of Jyotisha. I wish you all the very best. Good luck. You guys are doing fantastic. You guys are, as they say, that astrology, we don't choose astrology. Sometimes it's like astrology chooses us. That has worked in my case, and maybe astrology have chosen you. So it's your time. I'll see you soon. Guys, take care. Stay blessed.